a sale? I love a great sale on quality clothing that is so inexpensive, it's hard to pass up. If you can afford it, it's in your budget. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. I got 5 items from Ann Taylor for $68.57. Regular price for all 5 items would have been $322.50 before shipping and tax. Yes, I had to pay shipping because I didn't spend the minimum because they were only $68, and I looked and looked and looked to find some really good deals, and I found them. So let's get to the try on, and I'll give you the information. I'll tell you what the item is, I'll tell you how much I paid for it and what the original price was. And so welcome to my channel, everyone. I'm Barbara, BCsells. Let's get to the try on. Thought we'd start with the most expensive item. All right, this was, let's see, $94.50, and I got it for $21, and it's machine washable. So it's a really pretty lavender color with the bell sleeves. It is a dolman style. The neck is more of a boat neck, I think, than just the rounded neck. It has the wider band at the bottom. And the wider band around the wrist, which I really like. Isn't this pretty? I don't know where that shadow is coming from. Probably because I'm filming later in the day. Okay, so this is really pretty. It's very, very soft. I would say this is a keeper for $21. What do you guys think? I like it, I like it. Okay, so we'll go to the next expensive item. This is really cute. I put my own cami on underneath it. Actually, this cami came from one of my Trendsend boxes, and I know it was really inexpensive or I wouldn't have kept it. Okay, what is this? This is the leopard print and cardigan. It was $89.50, my price $19.60. I love the leopard print on this. I think it looks really nice with the cami underneath it. Let's show you the print with the colors. It's got a little ribbing on the sleeve. It is 100% cotton. It is so soft and it's thin. It's a thinner cardigan that you could wear, spring. And it is, what else do I want to say? I don't know what else I wanted to say. It's just cute. What do you guys think? It has the ribbing down here at the bottom hem. It's just really cute pattern. Okay, here's the thing I'm on the fence about keeping it or not. The buttons do kind of pop. I don't know if you can see it in the film much, but they do separate. This is a size medium. If I wear it unbuttoned, I don't know. Let's see. It's really cute. I used to wear cardigans like this to work all the time. I mean, this was kind of like, I would buy these and wear them over a sleeveless tank. I could wear it like that. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence with this. I'm not sure how much I would reach for it. If I was working, I'd wear this all day long. Yep, no problem. So I don't know. What do you guys think? $21.60? Well, if I return it, I save $21.60 plus my tax. I don't know. It is pretty cute. But the way the buttons pull when I sit down, they pull even more. So I think I'll be a little more self-conscious. So I think I might return this. I have to watch the video and hear comments. Let's try on something else. Okay, another leopard print. I guess everything leopard print was on sale. This is really a cute top. This is the leopard print 3/4 sleeve, and it does have the kind of like the gathering on the sides, which is nice because then they just kind of hug you. This is machine washable. It's that modal and spandex, so it's kind of a little clingy. So I left the camisole on underneath it to see if that would help slim things down a little bit. This color is called Golden Sunray. It was $49.50, and my price $11.20. Pretty cute. Here it is untucked, so it's a good length. But if I breathe, you can see this belly issue going on right here. So, I don't know. Even if I tuck it in, well, if I do a front tuck, it's not as noticeable, but when I sit down, you're gonna see it. And I have high waist jeans on. So I don't know, I like it a lot. And for $11, maybe I'll just wear it around the house and not wear it out. It's really lightweight. I like the fit of it, even though it has this star neckline. But for $11, I don't know, I kind of like it. I don't know about this. I need to do something about this, ladies. If I would just start eating like salads, this would go down. I mean, salads, chicken, you know, stay away from the cake that we had last night, stay away from the au gratin potatoes that we had. And then Mike went to the store and he bought, what did he buy? Apple turnovers. I had one of those yesterday. Yeah. And then of course, eating all the kids' snacks, like at my daughter's house. So if I just eat right, that will go away. But I love food, and it's my entertainment right now, other than you guys. So I can't complain. All right, I have 2 more tops. Another leopard print. All right, this is non-returnable. This is mine, it has to be. But it was, let's see, $59.50. I only paid $9.77 for this blouse. It is a leopard mixed media top. Both materials are 100% polyester. This is machine washable. Okay, let me show it to you. I have it a front tuck. It is longer in the back. Let's untuck it. This would look nice with leggings, I believe. It's not too flowy in the front. I saw it on the model online, and I was just like, oh, I really like that. But do I really? I don't know. But it's really cute. What do you guys think? It is longer in the back, isn't it? So it kind of covers that bum. This material in the back is stretchy. This is like a regular blouse, and they're both polyester. It said 100% polyester. Okay, it does have this V-neck that slides back on me. But for $9.77, that's not gonna bother this girl. So it does have the V-neck. It does have that little pleat right here and buttons. How many? Those are cute. 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons here on the sleeve. That's really cute. I mean, I like it. Now, would I pay $59.50 for it? Nope. But well, obviously I'm gonna keep it. I will wear it, I will enjoy it. This is so cute. Who doesn't love a deal? I have 1 item left. Okay, I wanna show you, the last item is underneath this cardigan, but I wanna put the cardigan on to see what the lavender would look like with this leopard print. What do you guys think? Does it work? Doesn't it? Okay, because let me tell you, this top that I have on, tank that I have on underneath, it is like, there's no way I could wear it by itself. Let me just put it out there. I'm gonna show it to you. I have it tucked in, but it's, I don't know, could you wear these together? If I wore it open, no, I can't wear it open because of the, yeah, and then when I sit down, you know, pops out. So this is called the ribbed square neck tank, $7. I got it for $7. Only this color. They have other colors on their website, but they weren't on sale. Only this color, which I thought $7, you know, send it to me, let me try it. I love the shape of this. I like the square neck. I like the wider sleeves on it, or whatever you call that. And the color, it's soft. It's really soft. So here it is tucked in. Let me suck it in. Okay, let me breathe. Let me pull it out. It's in there pretty good. So it's a nice length, and I'm sucking it in and let it out. So the question is, do I keep it for $7 and wear it as a layering piece? Because this fall and winter, I'm gonna start layering my pieces. First of all, it'll help me stay warmer, and it'll help smooth some of this out, because I'm really not ready to go on a diet right now and work on this. I'm not ready. I got too many other priorities, and so food is my comfort right now. And I know I could eat healthier, but my daughter buys salads all the time for us, and you know, we're just kind of like, so we kind of pick and we eat like what the kids eat. I mean, it's not healthy. Let me tell you, it's not healthy. So when we get better, when we're ready, I'll worry about it. I'm not worrying about it right now. So do I keep this for $7? I think I will. It's a size small. I don't know if this was available in a medium, and I wanted to try it in a small to see if I like the style, but I'm afraid a medium will be too low because this is already kind of low. Not sure I would put this in the dryer. I forgot to look at the fabric, but it's very stretchy. It's a pretty color. It's the Dreve color, purple, but this is lavender. So I don't know, what do you guys think? I mean, overall, I'm really happy with my purchases. The only thing that I might return, actually I might return the cardigan. I'm not gonna reach for it because of the buttons popping, you know, separating. And then this, I don't know, I might keep this. You know, it's all that stretchy material. I don't know, so I'm kind of on the fence with this too. I know they're inexpensive, but you know, if I return them, that's more money I could put back in my pocket. The question is, will I reach for it? Probably not, because I'll be self-conscious. We all have that self-conscious thing. So that's it. That's my Ann Taylor haul. What do you guys think? I love the quality of their clothes. Love, love, love the quality. And I always look forward to their sales, 70% off, already a discounted price. I'm like, yes, please. That's all I have. I was gonna keep rambling, but there's no reason to. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.